What's up, ladies and gentlemen? First, I want to start this video off by saying thank you very much for the 50 plus subscribers. As promised, for getting 50 or more subscribers, I'm going to give you guys a bonus video. We're going to drop it right here. Today, I'm going to go to 5 random vending machines in Japan. I'm going to try 5 drinks that I've never had before, and we're going to do a good old-fashioned Japanese drink taste testing right here. So let's go. All right, we are here at the first vending machine for today's experiments. Let's see what we have here. So you can see red and blue tags here. Blue says tsumetai, which is cold, like a cold drink, and attakai, hot. So as the weather gets warmer, most of these turn into blue, as you can see. In wintertime, a lot of them are mostly red. Let's see what we have here. We got some kind of water, some sport drink. Milk coffee is always good. It's basically like coffee for children. Calpiece is good. Well, we've done all that before. I gotta get something new because we're testing stuff here. So for new stuff, I frequent these fairly often, so it's kind of hard to find some new stuff, but I do usually get like the coffees and stuff. So if I get something that's not... Okay, so like this is what I'm looking at here. Jelly Zeri Sparkling. So jelly sparkling energy drink, I guess? I don't know what this is. The jelly ones, they usually have like some kind of jelly-ish substance on the inside. I'm also thinking about this royal jelly yogurt one. It says royal jelly and hachimitsu, honey. Actually, you know what? I think we're gonna go for that one. The Yobik. It's probably some kind of yogurt type drink. For 130 yen. Alright, let's do it. I don't see this type of vending machine too much around. Looks like it's sponsored by Japanese Futsal League. I guess the Osaka Strikers is the name of the group. Here we go. First drink. Here we are at vending machine number 2. These are apparently 100 yen, all 100 yen, or 100 and 110 yen. We got all cold drinks in this machine. Now this blue vending machine I see more often than the last one. We'll be happy. Let's see what we got that I have not had before. I've not had this Cafe au lait Dotor black coffee. New item. Dotor is a famous, I think that's out not just in Japan, right? Cafe, coffee shop, like Starbucks. Miracle Body. Now that sounds amazing. We might have to go with Miracle Body. Or Sokara. Fanta. I know Fanta. I don't know this flavor. I think Miracle Body actually, I've tasted something like that. It's kind of like an energy drink type thing. I say we go with the... Let's go with the Fanta. Also decent size in case I don't like it. And vending machine number 3. This one's called the Drink Box. I've seen these a few places around. Price down, drink box. A lot of 100 yen drinks in here. They're all 100 yen, looks like, which is a great deal for me. It probably means they're also quite cheap tasting, a lot of these, but let's see what we got here. Hot cocoa. Some green tea from Dotor. I've never had a green tea from Dotor. That's piquing my interest a little bit here. This looks like some kind of energy drink. We got a melon soda, Vitamin water, lemon teas, coffees, lemon teas. This I like a lot, actually. Milk seki. That's pretty good, but we've already had it, so we can't do it for this video. We have up here just a whole bunch of random stuff. All right, let's see. Some kind of orange drink. Oh, sangria. I like sangria. I'm thinking the green tea. So far, we got some. I think both of the things we got are going to be some sweet stuff. So the green tea might be able to calm that down first. Cut that sweetness a little bit. Thinking a doTERRA green tea, right? That's the decision we're making, right? 100 yen. Let's do it. Green tea, doTERRA. I like this. All right, I found this pretty cool vending machine here. It's like a Game Boy. It's right outside of a retro video game shop, which you can see a little bit in one of my videos that I did, the video game grab bag. Let's see what they have here. Some common stuff. Yeah, nothing too special. Super Potato is the name of the video game shop. But there was one behind me. Oh, I like the strawberry milk too. There was one behind me. Right here. Also, this store's branded vending machine that I saw that kind of piqued my interest. It's this one right here. Conan. He's a famous anime character here. Kid detective. And I guess these are mystery drinks because they have a question mark right there. So you're not going to know what you're going to get apparently, but some kind of cider it says. So for 120. Hold on guys, I probably should have took my money out first. Alright, for 120. I hear that Dragon Quest music playing in the background. Alright, let's see. I don't know if they're all the same, like one flavor, or they're mixed within. Let's go. Any, mini, miny, mo. Catch a pickle by his toe. If he hollers, let him go. Any, mini, mighty, mo. Here we go. Conan soda. What is this? We'll have to look at it more in detail later on, but this can is looking pretty cool. All right, one more to go. And here we are. Vending machine number 5. Last and quite possibly least. We won't know yet until we start the actual drink sampling. This is a Boss machine, which Boss is a very famous brand, Suntory in Japan. Very, very famous. You can often find famed actor Tommy Lee Jones promoting this in Japan. Bet you guys didn't know Tommy Lee Jones was over here promoting vending machines and coffees and such. Anyways, this one has a lot of the more common stuff, like the Boss drinks. I've had all these coffees, the Rainbow Blend, Black. So it might be a little bit hard for me to find something I haven't had in this one. The CC Lemon is always good, especially in the summer. Japan Cola, not sure what the difference between regular cola and Japan Cola is. I like this apple juice here. Tomato, I haven't had the tomato. Or I kind of want some kind of coffee something. I feel like we need some kind of coffee, something to go with all the freaking ciders and stuff that I have. I drink this a lot. This is one of my favorites, Boss Cafe au lait. So I'm not getting that, but this. Do not believe I've had this before. 5 minutes coffee. 5 minutes coffee drink. 5-minute break brings a good job. All right. I'm wondering what's the difference between all these other coffees and this 5-minute coffee. You have to drink this within 5 minutes. Does it take exactly 5 minutes to drink it? And apparently it's like the drink of the vending machine because it's sponsored here. It's advertised here. Anyways, it's 1:30. Cold. Of course we want cold because it's kind of warm out here. It's like 60 something degrees. And with that, this will be the final drink. Drink number 5. We are now ready for testing. We are back here as promised. We have the 5 maybe wonderful drinks. Who knows? We're about to find out right here. Bam, 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 bam. We're going to take them out in order from here, right to left, left to right, for you guys looking at this. Let's get started. I got my thermos of water so I can cleanse the palate between each drink. Let's get this party started. All right, so we're going to start with the yogurt type of drink. See what this tastes like. I'm guessing this one's going to be pretty decent because I like yogurt. It smells very yogurty. Yeah, it tastes like liquid yogurt. It tastes really good, actually. I'd recommend this one. This is a good one right here, people. We're starting off with a bang here, with a bazang here. Next is the Fanta Socata? Question mark, exclamation mark. Let's try this baby out. Looks like there's a lemon on the front. I don't know if it's going to be kind of limey flavor. Ooh, that's kind of strong. It's, yeah, some kind of lime. It's pretty strong. It's good, though. It's like Sprite with an extra kick to it. I'm digging it. Next is the Dr. green tea drink. I'm guessing it's going to taste like green tea. Dr. is a pretty good brand cafe, so I'm expecting good things. Yeah, it's like green tea. And some lemon, I guess. I didn't even notice that on the front. There's definitely like a tint of lemon to it, green tea lemon. It's a refreshing taste. It's cider time. We got the Conan cider. This was the mystery drink. There was a question mark, the vending machine label. So we don't know what flavor this is gonna be. It smells like just some kind of clear cider. I don't even know what this tastes like. It almost tastes like nothing, really. But it's not bad. It's just not much of a flavor to it. And last, but certainly not least, we have the 5 Minutes Coffee. I'm guessing this is Boss, which is a very popular, good canned coffee company. So I'm guessing I'm going to enjoy this. Yeah, it's really light. Oh, it says 60% off. Maybe it's like low fat or something. I don't know. Low calorie or something. It's really light tasting coffee. It's good. All right, we have tried all the drinks now. My stomach is starting to feel a little bit strange. I think I have too many different varieties of drinks in there. Let's do a top 5 ranking. First place to 5th place. That's how we're going to line them up here. And I'll go in a little bit more detail on the drinks, just a little bit more. These are the rankings. These are top 5. At number 5, we got 5 Minute Coffee. It's not bad. It's light. It's light something. I can't read it. 60% off. I didn't realize that when I got it. Maybe that's the selling point of it. It's not bad. I like my coffee a little bit more sweetness, a little bit more flavor to it. But it's just coffee, so we'll put it at 5. It's nothing special. I've had plenty of great coffees here. Number 5. 4 on the list, we're going to have to go with this one, I think. The mystery cider drink. It's also decent flavor. There's just not much flavor to it, really. You know what it is? Like a Mitsuya cider, which is a famous cider drink in Japan. It's good. It's just a regular cider drink. Nothing too special. It's a good number 4 spot right there, I think. At number 3, we will go with the Socata. Fanta Socata, just another cider. It's also good, but it's just another cider. try it again here. Yeah, it's got a really strong lime yuzu fruit flavored drink. It's good. It's 3. It's number 3. You're now down to the top 2. Number 2. Here we go. Green tea. Dotor green tea. It's good. It's better than these 3. It's not quite as good as the number 1 pick here. Are you getting that taste of it? It's very refreshing though, like a nice cold one of these on a summer day. Magnificent. Which means today's winner for the number 1 drink in the 5 random drinks from the 5 random machines taste testing video is the yogurt drink. Yobiku, as they call it. It's a good yogurt flavored drink. It's probably a kid's drink, but I don't care. It's tasty, and it's better than these 4, in my opinion. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment.